Radhe Radhe to all, and I hope everybody is doing perfectly fine. So today what we'll be discussing is a very interesting thing, like we'll be playing permutation combination with two IHC marker, that is CK7 and CK20. So why this IHC marker is important and why we'll be discussing it? Because see, when we get a tissue, suppose अगर कुछ known case है कि yeah, the patient is having mass in lung, so sometimes it can be primary also, but sometimes it can be secondary also. We don't know that जो कैंसरस लीजन है या कोई भी ट्यूमर लीजन है वो पर से उसी ऑर्गन का है. So to establish the identity or the origin, we have to go for IHC marker. So sometime the two marker which will give you, I'll tell you in detail how we can use these two marker in our day-to-day reporting of malignant cases. So let's begin with it. So why I have written on the top, this is CK7 and CK20 जिसके साथ we'll play today. So then let's make permutation combination. क्योंकि कुछ ट्यूमर आपके होंगे, so I'll divide the CK720 से अगर हम प्लस माइनस करें, so we'll get 4 groups. So let's see. First group will be CK7 positive and CK20 negative. Fine. So we'll have one group. Then second group में हमारा होगा, let's take both positive in the first group. Then we'll take CK7 negative, CK20 negative. Third group will be CK7 positive. अब हम patient पे आते हैं. We'll take CK20 negative. Fourth group will take CK7 negative and CK20 positive. So all 4 combinations are done. So let's discuss CK positive और CK20 positive tumor कौन-कौन से होते हैं. Both positive I'm saying. Yeah. So first we have your urothelial carcinoma. Second we have your ovarian mucinous carcinoma. Fine. फिर आते हैं हम दोनों नेगेटिव पे. CK7 CK20 कहाँ नेगेटिव होंगे हमारे? दोनों नेगेटिव हो रहे हैं हमारे hepatocellular carcinoma, that is liver. Then renal carcinoma. Then sometime you can see in your prostate carcinoma. Fine. So ये तीनों ट्यूमर आपके CK7 CK20 नेगेटिव हो गए. Then we move on to CK7 positive and CK20 negative. This is very important क्योंकि breast carcinoma, they have a tendency to metastasize everywhere. Because see, once when I was reporting, I saw patient with infiltrating ductal carcinoma and the lesion patient had come with on scalp and skin, abdomen. So two sides the patient had this malignancy. But in patient did not complain of any mass. She may not be able to identify the mass, but she presented scalp lesion and abdominal lesion. जब वहाँ से हमने biopsy ली, then we got this marker for breast carcinoma because she had a lump in breast. So we thought could be metastasis from breast. So we got the IC done and that came out to be ER/PR positive and HER2/neu positive. So all those things you need to correlate that yes, this is the origin of the tumor. That is why I'm saying कि कहाँ का tumor कहाँ metastasize करेगा, we don't know. So these are some panel of markers which will help you. So first is your breast, then you have your lung carcinoma and you have your thyroid carcinoma. Again, then coming to CK7 negative, CK20 positive. ये आएगा हमारा colorectal carcinoma, very important. So see, this question you get in your NEET PG also and you get in FMG also. They may give you some combination. All these tumor are CK7 positive, CK20 positive except. So similarly with all the other permutation combination you will get it. Then you get a Merkel cell. कहाँ होता है ये Merkel cell carcinoma? You get in skin. Then you get any skin carcinoma we get. So this can be the panel. So first is your CK7 positive, CK20 positive, that is urothelial carcinoma, and ovarian mucinous carcinoma. CK7 negative, CK20 negative, ये हमारा होता है hepatocellular carcinoma, renal cell carcinoma, prostatic carcinoma. Then third category, CK7 positive, CK20 positive is your breast carcinoma, lung carcinoma, thyroid carcinoma. Then CK7 negative, CK20 positive is important one is your colorectal carcinoma, Merkel cell carcinoma, which we see in skin. So these four category you should remember. So जो अगर हम समराइज करें, हाँ, तो अगर जस्ट टू रिवाइज हमारे CK20 पॉजिटिव एंड CK7 पॉजिटिव कौन कौन से होंगे? 20 पॉजिटिव, 7 पॉजिटिव. सो दिस विल बी योर एनी ब्लैडर, मतलब ब्लैडर का यूरोथेलियल कार्सिनोमा, राइट? यूरो जो एग्जाम में इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन आते हैं. देन वी नो CK20 positive and CK7 negative. So CK7 negative and CK20 positive. So this is your colon carcinoma, right? Then we know CK20 negative और CK20 negative, CK7 भी negative है. दोनों अगर negative आते हैं तो ये liver हो या kidney इसका origin होगा. Then just I'm giving you a permutation combination, right? दोनों positive हो गए, दोनों negative हो गए. अब we give CK20 negative and CK7 positive. So this will be your very easy breast, and you have your stomach also to add to it. Correct? So these are just permutation combination, both the slides which I discussed, CK7 positive, CK20 positive, CK7 and 20 both negative, CK7 negative, CK20 positive, CK7 positive, CK20 negative. So all these permutation combination, origin main organ के origin आपको idea एक लग जाएगा with this tumor. So now suppose अगर जैसे एक important marker होता है जो हमारा कोलोन का, when we say कोलोन का जो हमने पढ़ा कि वो CK7 नेगेटिव होता है, CK7 नेगेटिव, CK20 पॉजिटिव. बट इससे भी एक इंपॉर्टेंट मार्कर होता है स्टमक कोलोन कैंसर के लिए, दैट इज CDX2. सो इफ इट इज पॉजिटिव, it is very specific marker for colon. Correct? Then for your adenocarcinoma lung, one important marker nowadays which we do is your napsin. So this is important for your adenocarcinoma lung. Correct? So this was about your CK7, CK20 negative. So just to tell you in brief, say nowadays we use some new marker also, like for intestine, CDX2 is the marker of choice. Then when we go to neuroendocrine tumors, the neuroendocrine tumor will be positive for your chromogranin, synaptophysin and CD56. Then squamous cell carcinoma अगर आपको rule out करना है, so then we go for your P63, P40. Fine. Then mesothelioma, if you have to rule out, you have your calretinine, WT1. And when we go for lung adenocarcinoma, TTF1 is very important कि lung origin है, and then you go for your napsin A. So that is a very specific marker for lung adenocarcinoma. So this was in nutshell about your CK7, CK20. So let's make it interesting way कि हम कैसे markers याद रख सकते हैं. So see these two markers, so it helped us in identifying the parent organ. So thank you so much for your patient hearing. So kindly like, subscribe and share my channel Patho with MK. Have a great day. Thank you so much.